no goddamn joke, I tell you what. The goddamn Freddie got goddamn build that goddamn body was goddamn. Goddamn don't need no nice fuck, just damn Coors Light and me driving some. I tell you what. Goddamn thing, this goddamn thing is a joke. It ain't no goddamn joke, I tell you what, Bobby. Bobby, hurry up and goddamn clean this goddamn motor.
So how come you're not running E85 on it?
I told you we run goddamn Coors Light above water and some. You wanna go fast? You goddamn use some goddamn vodka. Goddamn octane on that some bitch 900.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Martin here with another video. So today in this video, we're gonna be talking about the history of his OBS that we showed in the last video. So pretty much he's gonna explain from the time he bought it, everything it went through.
Like, pretty much just the history of, of the truck, and, just in advance I want to apologize for starting like halfway of like the mid swap, whatever.
So we decided to start new on this YouTube thing, so
yeah, it's like, because I don't want y'all to just think about like, alright, well, okay, well, where did it come from, Yeah, just pretty much, we're gonna put pictures of, how I got the truck, and, through what it's been through, and then, work to where it's at now, and why we're LS swapping it. But I got this truck back in 2015, I want to say mid-summer. I think it was a month before school started. I got this truck because, I really wanted a truck. Well, first I was going to get a Camaro. It was about a 97 Camaro. It had a LT1 5.7 in it, but, at the time I didn't have much money, and then I wasn't really working, so I was like, well, I can't get it if I can't put, money into it, fix it up. So I was like, screw it, waited a little longer, and I came across this truck. It was literally maybe like a couple, like 4 blocks from where I live. I parked on the outside, and then I was like, I like it. I was like, why not? Like, I went, took a look at it, and then it wasn't really, it was just beat up. The truck had been sitting for about 7 years, what the guy had said, and I was like, well, it probably won't turn on. So the guy was like, hey, well, let's try to turn it on. It had a battery in it and everything. It was just, old gas, and he was like, well, let's give it a shot. First 2 cranks, it didn't want to turn on, and finally I gave it some gas, put some gas in the carburetor, and then it turned right on. But since it had been sitting for so long, the gas had gone bad, so it was just like, it sounded like the truck was cammed. It wasn't really that bad, but I was like, screw it, I'll take it. So 2 days later, I came back, gave him the money, brought the truck home. It couldn't drive because as soon as we pulled it out the driveway, it just completely shut off and it didn't want to turn back on. So we had to literally get it pushed to my house and pushed into the driveway. But then after that, we took off the gas tank. We saw that the gas was like really, really dark coffee. From that point forward, like, we literally just tore apart the whole truck pretty much. Took off the gas tank. We were getting ready to paint the whole truck, the blue that it is now. I mean, it's pretty beat up now, but before that, when it was getting painted, it was getting new gas, a new pump, water pump, a new fuel pump, a new floater, and a new fuel filter, because obviously that was, causing the problems for it to shut off. We got that, turned on the truck, it was running fine, but since the truck was sitting so long, the clutch was stuck. It struggled to go into gear, so we were like, screw it. We pulled out the transmission, put a new clutch in it, what else? New clutch, new fuel system, had to reseal the differential. Pretty much the motor was alright, it was just needed like spark plugs, wires, just like the basic maintenance stuff, oil. And then after we got the mechanical stuff fixed, then we started, sanding down the whole truck. I bought a new hood for it. And then my brother got me my grill and my headlights, pretty much the whole front. I didn't know when the truck was, when I had bought the truck, it was previously crashed. So when I was swapping it, or when we had to just, finish painting everything and stuff, and we were putting the truck back together, everything in the front wouldn't really align. That's why in the previous video, we were kind of struggling with putting the hood, aligning the hood and stuff like that. So, because it was hit from the right-hand side, so it's a little tilted to the right, but, it's not too much of a big of a deal, but I was like, it's just a project truck, we're just having fun with it, so I was like, yeah, it's whatever, We got the truck in line, pretty much everything straightened out, painted, put everything, assembled everything. The truck looked like really nice. After that, I was like, well, I want to drop my truck. So my homeboy literally had like a dropped OBS that he had wrecked. So I was like, well, give me the parts. The only thing I was available to get from him was the flip kit for the back and some shackles that he had. And then after that, like in the front, I just ghetto dropped it. I had cut springs on the front and that was it. But it actually rode pretty smooth because, it had like pretty much the whole suspension on the truck was brand new because I had to replace that as well. But that's how I had it for a while. Pretty much like so far what I've done to it was just suspension, clutch, basic maintenance, paint the truck, like new tail lights, headlights, stuff like that. I bought the 454 wheels, but they're like, the tires were in really bad condition. I had the truck dropped for about, I want to say about a year. And after that, I was like, man, screw it. I was like, I wanted to put some big wheels on it. So I bought some 26s IROCs and I put it on the truck, but since the truck was dropped, they didn't really fit. So I had to lift the truck back up, so it was like, I had that caddy lean going on, but I was like, well, it doesn't look right. I had it like that for about 6 months, and then I decided to sell the wheels so I could buy this other truck that we'll show you in a later video. So I got rid of the wheels, I dropped the truck down again the right way. I bought springs, you know, Beltec, just 2-inch drop springs. We're gonna do spindles later on it. But yeah, I had bought everything, and then once I put it on, I parked the truck, and then I pretty much just sat here for about a year. So when I came back to, you know, to turn it on so I could, you know, take it out and drive it, you know, again, it was going good until we heard this. So yeah, after that day, like literally we had just done oil change, spark plugs, wires, like pretty much just like freshen up the motor so we could get it out, but it was too late. So yeah, it was not a happy day for me. But yeah, apparently the motor, when we pulled the motor out, it has one of the crank bearings. It was just bad. Like somehow the oil leaked out from the motor. I have no idea how that happened, because like the oil pan wasn't it didn't have like oil stains or anything like that. It was just I don't know. But yeah, I had bought after that I was like, man, I just let the truck literally parked there for about 2 years, like without touching it. It was just collecting dust. Finally I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and buy just another 305 or 5.7, because it originally had a 5.7 in it, a 350. I was like, screw it, I'm gonna just get another motor just to get it, like slap it in there, get it running, whatever. So I went and did that.
And for those of you that want to see a 350 how it looks, let me show you what it looks like.
Now.
So there goes the old 350, just sitting there on the way.
I think I got the bearings right there, so you can see how the bearings are all scarred up and stuff like that. They're somewhere around here. There they are. Nope, that's it. Well, that's pretty much one of them. This was one of the least messed up ones, but they were all scarred up. But they were all bad. Let's see. No, this one's one of the better ones. We broke a piston. But it's around here somewhere, but
Yeah,
it was
bad.
real bad.
It was real bad.
There's like four pistons like this one. It's like all messed up. You see there. Yeah, it was bad. Anyways, you know, obviously that happened. When I got the other motor, I got it from one of my homeboys. It was just a 305, but it was like a crate motor. We decided to tear it down to reseal it, you know, make sure everything was freshened up, make sure that didn't happen again. But when we were almost done, like I just needed to take off the timing cover to replace that gasket. As I was pulling off the crank bolt, I turned it, and I guess it was really tight in there, and the bolt snapped on me, and I was just like, oh crap. I was like, well, there goes another motor. So I ended up just selling that motor, you know, because they needed the block or whatever. So I was like, screw it, got rid of that. And then like one day, me and Martin were just like, you know what, screw it, let's LS swap it. So we went out to like deep Burleson, I don't know, like out in the middle of nowhere, that some guy had a 6.0 for sale. It was out of a 2002. It's a Oki board, you know, the iron block. He's like, well, I got one. I was like, man, screw it, let's go buy it. Well, we got the motor for $800 with the wire harness and everything. So I was like, you know what, that's not too bad. We went out there, got the motor, but obviously the motor had been, you know, in the work truck, so it's been used quite a bit. And yeah, it had a lot of miles on it, and the motor is like completely covered in oil. So Martin and I power washed the whole thing, got as much oil off as we could, you know, powered it, whatever, degreased it, got it cleaned up. I ordered new seals for that motor, but I didn't risk it this time. I don't want to break the crank bolt, so we pretty much just did all the top end, got that resealed, the bottom end, just oil pan, and then we just painted it, like we just rattle canned it. So we were like, man, screw it, like this ain't just gonna blow. So yeah. But yeah, we had the engine sitting outside. It was covered up, but somehow the water got inside when it rained, so I'm pretty sure cylinder walls are pretty rusted out. So the motor might blow when we turn it on, but oh well, we'll just send it off. The bank.
Stay tuned for that.
So yeah, that brings us to where it's at now, to the previous video. We had already put the motor in and everything, you know, before we had already bought the cameras and stuff like that. So pretty much just got the 6.0 down to like, you know, just the bare block and the heads, whatever, the intake. We went to Summit, bought the, what do they call it, brackets? No, it's not brackets, adapter plates. And then that's pretty much it really to set the motor in the truck. I got the adapter plates. We just used the original motor mounts. You just shaved down the back because it has like a little bump on the back of the motor mount. We shaved that off. They literally bolted right up. Dropped the engine, no problem. Sat in place. And then for the transmission, I just want to, like, since my truck is standard, I was like, well, I just want to keep it, you know, standard, because like this truck, my work truck, and my car are all standards. You know, it's like, you know, I wanted to keep it manual, so I was like, screw it. You know, we had to do some research and stuff like that, so we had to use the flywheel from the 6.0 for, you know, manual transmission, and then we just used the original, the clutch and the pressure plate from this truck from the year, because it bolts right up. And then we had to use a LS7 pilot bearing for the shafts of the transmission. I honestly thought it wasn't gonna fit, but surprisingly, like, it just literally slid right in and it bolted up in the exact same spot. And I was like, well, I was like, that's great, it worked out great. And then we tried on the drive shaft. It's right here, just all rusted up right now. I haven't put it in yet, but we slipped on the drive shaft and everything, and like, it's perfect. Like, if it's like, if it was factory, I was just like, dang. And I was like, yeah, that's a relief. But yeah, you know, it saves me money on buying the drive shaft, and then, you know, whatever I had to do, like cut the floor, the transmission didn't fit, you know, I had to move it back some or whatever. So yeah, as of right now, like so far, you know, got the fuel system done. Pretty much just need the 2 wires for the fuel lines. I mean, for the 2 fuel lines. We actually need a mount on the headers. We'll put on the headers. We're just gonna put on stock ones for right now, just to get the truck turned on. And then I think we got all the water, the radiator done. That's done. So pretty much what's left, just literally the 2 fuel line, wire harness, and other little, you know, little things here and there, but it's nothing too big. Hopefully sometime soon this truck will be running. Well, it probably won't run. The motor will probably blow up when we turn it on, but you know, it's cool. We'll have everything ready to just throw a new motor in it and, you know, hopefully just get it turned on. But, you know, just hopefully everything's fine. But the truck will get repainted, because obviously, you know how long it's been sitting here for a long time, so we got all kinds of messed up, you know, chips here and there, but you know, it's whatever. Like, here, like, I don't know if you can really see it there, but there's a chip like right here, and then there's like the whole bottom of the rocker is like all messed up. This chip's right here because I kind of put the pressure washer too close, but it's whatever. Same thing happened along the whole lip in the back, but this, I cut it out. I cut all this out, so I wouldn't have any problems with, like, if I put a little bit wider wheel on it, you know, little things like that. And then I left the tailgate off. I mean, you can't really see it, but I left the tailgate in the back of the truck, and then birds kind of pooped on it and it ate away my paint, so it messed it up. But yeah, it's like, it's just bad. It's just little details here and there, you know, it's whatever. But yeah, I mean, the inside is nothing. I've changed out the seats like 3 times already. So I put these from a 98. It's not the best, but you know, it's cool. I got another dashboard for it because my brother broke it. Like, he had the glove box right here. He closed it and it opened back up, so he slammed it and it just like cracked the whole dash. So yeah, got a new dashboard setting over there, but you know, that's gonna be, you know, in the future. As of right now, I'm just trying to get it running. But you know, like I was saying, you know, the transmission, it bolted right up. It's in the same spot. Everything's pretty much there. But yeah, nothing too bad. I think the hood's open. Oh, open the hood. But yeah, and then water got in this headlight, so gotta get new headlights to work again. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. It's just motors in, the whole, we put in the pretty much the whole front assembly on the other day. Oh my god. You know, brand new water pump. That's pretty much it. That's brand new in the front. You know, just little things here and there, just to get it more, you know, mocked up and getting it looking a little bit better. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Really, so far as of, you know, what we've done to the truck. Like I said, it was just a little quick update because, you know, we started mid swap. But yeah, we started, yeah, like I was saying, you know, we started mid-swap, so just to catch all up on where the truck came from and, you know, where it's at now and why we did it, pretty much. Just a little update on it. And soon, we'll be posting more videos on it of, you know, when we're putting on the fuel lines and whatnot. And then, little things here and there, but.
It's gonna be a while, you know.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
We're broke. So.
Yeah, we're broke. But, you know, while I'll get more money to throw money at this truck, you know, we're gonna be posting videos of, you know, like our cars and stuff like that. So just to keep y'all, you know, updated on the videos. But this is just like a side project, so it's nothing too bad. So I mean, nothing too big.
Man, right now we're gonna show y'all cars and we'll show y'all why we're broke.
Just for your, the future videos, just so y'all can see like what we have, and yeah, like he said, why we're broke.
Truck's not gonna be the only content we're gonna be posting.
Yeah.
You know, we got my car, his car, his
like,
cousin's car.
Like all of my cousin's cars. This will be back real soon. Hopefully, maybe like in the next 2 months, I'll get the rest of the parts that I need for it to get it running, and we'll be good to go.
So,
all right,
we're gonna show you the car right now.
We'll be right back.
All right, so here goes our car. So this is my car, 2016 Camaro. It says, I'm 4-star D5 with some Mickey Thompson. It's alright. And then here goes Juan's car, 2017 Roush Mustang, stage 3.
It's just some, I don't even know what wheels they are, but I got
yeah, the wheels came with the car.
Yeah, so as I bought it, you see it pretty much. The only thing I've done to it is really just the tail lights, and that's about it. And the side marker.
Yeah. So we got some Euro lights on the back. Those of y'all that don't know about the stage 3 Roush Mustang, it does come supercharged with the Roush supercharger.
This is the phase 1 and not the phase 2, so
it's pretty slow.
Yeah. Yeah, just a little quick to show you our cars and why we're broke. If not, the truck would have been running, but this is why.
Yeah, so yeah, some more content to come with these cars and some other ones, so gotta stay tuned. All right, so my camera died, so we have to hop on the GoPro real quick. So you saw the car, 2 of the cars that we got. We still got more cars from our friends, family and stuff, so there's gonna be a lot more content coming with those cars. And then slowly but surely the truck's gonna be up soon, and we'll keep y'all updated with everything we do, any little things, any mods we do.
Yeah, anyways guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, catching up on the truck. And like I was saying, I didn't want y'all to be lost on why we started the first video mid swap. So just a little heads up on where it came from, where it went through, the phases it went through, and then where it's at right now. But as of right now, that's a quick little update on the truck and what we've done to it. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next couple of videos, because that's when we're gonna start introducing the cars and get some racing going on. Thank you. Like and subscribe to this video. Your boy Moogie. Anyways, we will see y'all next time.
This is Broke Gang Garage.